What's up, guys? Today we're going to be making cheesecake for my birthday because a lot of the cheesecakes at stores and Whole Foods and other places are loaded with sugars and a lot of other additives. So stay tuned, like, follow, subscribe, and share to help support our channel. So the first thing we gotta do for our cheesecake is make our crust. We need 5 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna cut our butter into squares so we can melt it easier. After you measure and cut your butter, we're gonna add it to a small pan. Now we're gonna put it on the stove on medium heat to melt. And make sure to watch it because we don't wanna brown it or burn it. The next step to make our crust is to get the graham crackers crushed up. We used about 12 crackers. You're gonna need a bigger bowl to mix everything together. You're gonna wanna leave some cracker chunks for the crust. Next, we're adding 1/4 cup of monk fruit. Next, we're gonna use our hand to mix the crackers and monk fruit together. Next, we're gonna add our melted butter. I used a silicone spatula to get all the butter out of the pan. Now we're gonna use our hand to fully incorporate the butter. After fully mixing everything together, you're gonna wanna pack it into a pie pan lined with non-toxic parchment paper. You're also gonna wanna get the edges too. Make sure to preheat your oven to 395. For our next step, we gotta make our cheesecake filling. First thing we're gonna add is 155 grams of cream cheese. Next, we're gonna add 412 grams of whole milk Greek yogurt. Next, we're adding 27 grams of monk fruit powder. Next, we're adding 50 grams of vanilla protein powder. Next, we're adding 1 large egg. Next, we're adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're gonna blend everything together. Now we're gonna pour our cheesecake filling into the crust. Now we're gonna put 50 grams of blueberries throughout the cheesecake. Now we're gonna put our cheesecake into our preheated oven for 20 to 30 minutes. Next, you're gonna wanna let it chill in the fridge for 1 hour or overnight with the plate on top. After the cheesecake is done chilling, we're gonna make the blueberry jam topping. So the first thing we're gonna do is weigh out 170 grams of blueberries. Next, we're gonna turn our stove on medium heat. Next, we're gonna add our blueberries to a medium frying pan. Next, we're gonna weigh out 17 grams of potato starch. We're just gonna set this aside for now. You're gonna wanna consistently mix your blueberries so they don't burn. Next, we're gonna add 27 grams of maple syrup. The juices will slowly start leaving the blueberries. Once your blueberries look like this, we're gonna add water to the potato starch and add it in. This is what's gonna help thicken it up. This is also called a slurry. Now you're gonna wanna mix it again so it doesn't burn. As you mix it all together, it will start getting thick like jelly. After it starts getting thick and bubbly, you're gonna wanna take it off the stove. Next, you're gonna wanna take your cheesecake out of the fridge and start spreading the blueberry jam on top. After After you spread your blueberry jam on top, you're gonna want to put the plate on it and put it back in the fridge to chill for another hour. Next, we're gonna be making coconut cream to top it off. I would recommend chilling your bowl and your can before you whip it up. So we're gonna add our coconut cream to the bowl. Next, we're adding 113 grams of maple syrup. Next, we're adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, we're gonna start out whisking it on low, and as it thickens up, we're gonna whisk it on high. Also added about a tablespoon of heavy cream. After whipping this together for 4 minutes, we put it in the refrigerator. I took it out, I whipped it up again because it's separated. After that, I put it in the freezer. Then I whipped it until it got a little bit thick. Here's the final result. We put the cream on afterward before we ate it.
To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Julies. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish, bro. Wishes that this cheesecake tasted good.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Your support is well appreciated. And comment down below what I should make next.